Bringing light to your fingertips, a flash torch never drop make you hands-free when repairing. Fishing comfortable stretched neoprene material, with position-adjustable magic strap cool gloves make you a spy at night. Easy turn on and off. This LED light gloves is with on and off button and 2 LED lamp beads, to make your work more convenient, great for fishing lover, gadget lover, handyman, plumber, camping, and outdoor work, etc. This safety rescue gloves can be directly worn on your hands, no need to holding like a traditional flashlight, small and light, simple to use, fully release your hands power by 2 button batteries, comfortable, soft, and breathable, with good quality cotton material.